Welcome, good afternoon, and welcome families, friends, students, and teaching staff. Tonight we are celebrating the academic growth and accomplishments of our 8th grade students who will be high school graduating class of 2025. Middle school is both exciting, challenging, and a time where students begin to find their voice while shaping who they are. This afternoon is a celebration of all the work and efforts these students have put forth from kindergarten through 8th grade. This school year was not perfect, but the dedication, flexibility, commitment, determination, and perseverance from students, staff, and our community provided the opportunity for all of us to make the best of a difficult situation. These students sitting before you have been successful over the last 9 years with support of family, friends, and great educators. I'm happy to say that these students leave Omak Middle School tonight prepared for the rigor and challenges that lay before them as they transition to high school and beyond. Each year, the 8th grade class selects a staff member to speak during the promotion ceremony. This year, the 8th grade class has selected Mr. Patrick Morris. Please welcome Mr. Patrick Morris.
I was voted this year to be the speaker for the staff, and I am honored for that. Thank you for voting for me. It's a strange feeling. I know many of you, as former students for social studies, are the last 2 years for art. It's been a real wild trip with COVID and everything else. Some of you I might not have taught. I'm sorry for that. It would have been entertaining to know everybody, but I came close. I'm gonna remember you guys mostly for your questions. You guys always ask the most deep questions of something I thought was not very deep. Like I'm thinking of the questions of, why do we need to know about people? Or why is art skills ever going to be useful? And those are really good questions. There's a lot of things we don't think about as adults anymore, so I'm going to miss you guys for those. But I do remember one thing in particular. It's something that stuck with me for the last 3 years with you guys. And it's the fact that Acadians, when they conquered the Sumerians in your favorite song, you guys asked, well, who and why? And then I realized that the Acadians, without them, we've never learned to read or write, because they pushed all the people who knew how to different parts of the world. So you can blame them for why we have school now, okay? Remember that. I could go on and on about our past, but I want you 8th graders to realize something. In less than a week, you're going to be freshmen. And what that means is you're on your final 4 years, which means now is your last 4 years of public education. You may go on to some other schooling, you may go straight to the workforce, but what you need to realize is it's time for you guys to do the final push. Middle school is for us to teach you basics. High school is for when they expect you to start being an adult. So don't think that you can wait for it. They're not gonna wait for you. Now it's time. Good luck, I'll miss you all.
Thank you, Mr. Morris. We will now transition to the presentation of certificates and awards. All students here today will receive a promotion certificate recognizing them for their work over the last 3 years. Students receiving the Citizenship Award are students that have had 0 behavior referrals over the last 3 school years. Students that receive the Presidential Award for Educational Excellence are recognized for academic success by either grade point average or high achievement on state or nationally normed reading or mathematics examinations. Our first student, Chelsea Abraham Harrison. Emmett Abrahamson. Emmett is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Gabriel Antonelli. Mickey Avila. Emma Baker. Emma is also receiving Student of the Year Award for Miss Swartzel's class. Isaiah Ballesteros. Riley Barbone. Riley is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Addison Beaver. Dwayne Best. Reese Bowling. Reese is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Tristan Bowling. Tristan is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Sage Boyd. Shay Breeding. Amy Brenner. Sergio Britt. Sergio is also receiving the Citizenship Award and Student of the Year for Mr. Pierce's room. Bryson Buchanan. Bryson is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Homero Calderon. Fabian Campos. Camila Carrasco. Maribel Casares. Michael Casey. Michael is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Keegan Corey. Kylie Corey. Kylie is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Cadence Cormier. Cadence is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Siona Corpus Lewis. Sofia Cortines Guzman is receiving the Student of the Year for Science. Logan Dodge. Diesel Downey. Clarabelle Duarte Madrigal is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Juan Duran. Owen Ike. Joselyn Espino is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Jeffrey Finney. Phoenix Fellman. Emily Flores. Emily is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Isaac Frank. Tamika Galvin. Jesse Garcia. Kimberly Garcia Sanchez is also receiving the Citizenship Award and also Student of the Year for Miss Johnson's class. Cadence Gardapi is also receiving the Citizenship Award and Student of the Year for Advanced STEM. Alexis Gomez. Alexis is receiving the Citizenship Award. She is also receiving the Presidential Award for Educational Excellence. Magdalene Gonzalez Hall. Teresa Hahn. Emma Hall. Leland Hall. Cheyenne Ham is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Sean Harn. Patrick Haskins. Patrick is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Alexia Hawkes. Nelijah Hobbs. Nelijah is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Nariah Hobbs. Ethan Howard. Ethan is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Jordan Hunt. Jeremy Ives Marchand. Jeremiah Kemis. Shui Lazard. Gage Lopez. Gage is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Zandria Mack. Siriana Marchand. Siriana is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Isette Martinez. Vanessa Martinez. Vanessa is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Silas Matt. Drayton McCartney. Scott Mears. Scott is receiving the Citizenship Award and the Student of the Year for Robotics. Adamaris Moreno Perez. Adamaris is receiving the Citizenship Award and the Student of the Year for English Language Learners. Benjamin Morgan. Santana Moses Blevins. Tegan Mullen. Aiden Nguyen. Aiden is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Duke Nicholson. Tony Nunez. Tony is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Moses Acampo is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Logan Oliver. Jasmine Orozco. Jasmine is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Nikolai Orozco. Edgar Orozco. Edgar is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Eduardo Orozco. Edward is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Udani Padilla is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Ella Palmatier. Maggie Perez. Maggie is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Trayton Picard. Talon Pierre. Matthew Casada. Matthew is also receiving Student of the Year for ELA. Vance Reese. Vance Reese is receiving the Presidential Award for Educational Excellence, recognizing academic success by either grade point average or high achievement on state or nationally normed reading and mathematics examinations. Angelica Rodriguez. Angelica is also receiving the Presidential Award for Educational Excellence. She is also the Student of the Year for Advanced STEM. Michaela Romine. Michaela Romine is receiving the Citizenship Award and the Presidential Award for Educational Excellence. Riley Rosser. Riley is receiving the Citizenship Award. Belicia Sanabria. Sirenny Sandoval. Joshua Sani. Joshua is also receiving the Citizenship Award and the Student of the Year for Social Studies. Daniel Santiago. Kayla Solomon. Riley Searcy. Trenton Seymour. Trenton is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Lene Short. Anthony Smith. Jaylyn Smith. Jaylyn is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Aiden Stafford. Peyton Stidman. Catherine Thompson. Felipe Ulo Pacheco. Monica Valvadinos. Eli Van Brunt. Lydia Vance. Lydia is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Trinity Vasquez. Trinity is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Dylan Watkins. Dylan is also receiving the Student of the Year for Science. Star Whitehorse. Star is receiving Student of the Year for Mr. Pierce's class. Natasha Wiggins. Natasha is also receiving the Citizenship Award. Caitlin Young. Families, friends, and teaching staff, I personally thank you for celebrating our students with a digital promotion ceremony this afternoon. Again, I would like to congratulate the class of 2025 on reaching this milestone in your educational career. We look forward to seeing you graduate in 4 years.